How's it going, gremlins? On this episode of What Did I Get Myself Into, we're going to try and tackle getting this wiring harness back in. So, spent some time earlier to figure out what side is which and where it goes. Currently trying to get the driver's side through. So I know it's the driver's side because it's got the diagnostics box and it had the closest run into this wheel well hole. So I got most of it fed through currently. So I still got to get the last little bit, which is proven to be a pain. And then once that's in, I'll figure out how to fish it through to the other side. And I'll start fishing it out that side over there for this side over here. And then eventually we should be able to hook it up underneath the dash. Figure out what gets hooked up, what doesn't. I'm really hoping I don't have to take the dash off, being I've never had the dash off this car. Might be a little bit of a pain in the butt, but if that's what it comes to, it's what it comes to. So, probably going to put a time lapse or something up of me trying to fish this thing through, and we'll see how it goes. Currently, it's being a little bit of a pain in the butt, but we'll see how it turns out and goes. I know when I get to that side, it's going to be a lot more pain in the butt just because of the fact that, well, might be a little less pain in the butt because there's more room, but I can't get in the door. I won't be able to open it all the way. So I'm probably got to lay down on the seats or something to get that in there. So we'll see how this goes, and hopefully by the end of this there's a wire and harness in here and one step closer to this thing firing up and running again. Alright, we got one harness side, I guess, through. Had to put the rag there so I didn't tear my arm up. But if you can see, I got the firewall plug in there, so everything's routed through. Did have to take the dash off, I'm sure, as you'll see, or have seen, I guess, technically. So it's a little bit of a mess in there, but definitely need to take the vacuum to it and clean out that underside because it's pretty nasty. But we're making progress. So let me get this vacuumed out real quick, cleaned up, and I'll go from there, see where we're at. Alright, so I don't know if you could tell where I messed up in the time lapse. Here's a hint, it was the very first thing I did. First thing I did was I put this cable underneath the steering wheel. Yeah, it's supposed to go on top of it. So after trying to disconnect the steering rack and to make it easier in my life, it's stuck, it won't come out. I had to unroute this cable on this side, back out, being it's the closest one, figured it'd be the easiest, and it's also the least amount of cables. I got it pulled back through. So it's pulled back through, but now I got to get the firewall grommet back in place. So that was a waste of probably an hour that I could have been doing other things. Live and learn. Once again, with this car, it was stripped bare. There was nothing. So I had nothing to reference off, no, just the black hole. Unfortunately, that led to some issues, but got them figured out. So we're gonna move on. So I'm gonna get that grommet put back in and try and get this finished wired up and start connecting some stuff back up. Currently debating in my head whether or not I want to put the heater core back in right now or not. Probably would be the easiest to do, being I got the dash ripped out, just to make it a little easier to get the wiring in. So I may have to go dig that out and try to install it. One major issue I know I'm going to run into is nothing has nuts or bolts or nothing. I mean, it's, once again, this was stripped bare. There's no nuts, there's no bolts, there's everything on this car is gone. So I'm gonna have to figure out where it goes, how it goes, what size it is, and go from there. So probably gonna be doing some YouTube and Google, figure out exactly what it's supposed to look like under there, get a reference point, and then we'll go from there. We have made some substantial progress. So far I've got the wires all routed, hooked up. I've started hooking back some of the stuff. So I still need to find the bracket that goes to the fuse box. I got the ignition hooked up and all that good stuff. So as you can see, there's still a lot of unconnected wires I'm trying to figure out. I know I still got quite a few relays and sensors that have no home. One of the issues I did run into is trying to figure out exactly where the ECU is. So on this car, it is not on the floorboard. It is actually behind the passenger seat, which would explain why the passenger seat was unattached earlier. So yeah, it's back here, and then the wires get routed underneath here, down and along, and then somewhere up in there they spit out. So that's where we're at. Ow! Right now, I just got stabbed with something. So I got the harness out here. We're gonna try and get it plugged in and routed, see how difficult it is. So I wish I could get this door a little more open than I can, but there's stuff right there behind it, so not a lot of room. So probably just gonna be sitting in the car some more. Luckily the seat's out, so it makes it a little easier. I do need to get the steering column stuff put back on. As you can see over there, it's a little wonky, being it's not really attached to anything at the moment. So I'll work on that here shortly and get that stuff put on and try and clean up as I go. So there's still a lot of work to do, but we've made a lot of progress. So starting to get the wires in. And before we know it, this thing might be running.